sand in the sea. Them can't hold the lion, heart of we. Fire under Babylon, fire under them. The truth of the weapon, Jah bless we pen. Burn it, make the system bend. Fire under Babylon, fire under them. Ah yeah. Stop the river when the rhythm flow. We chant for the youth, them who lost the way. Rise up, it's a brand new day. Who them think them fooling with lies so sly? Jah wisdom sharper than the eagle eye. Fire under Babylon, fire under them. The truth of the weapon, Jah bless we pen. Burn it, make the system bend. Fire under Babylon, fire under them. Ah yeah, yeah, ah yeah. Truth in a the leaf, it open up the mind, it soothe the grief. Medication strong like the roots in a ground. We rise pon the rhythm and spread Jah sound. Ah yeah, ah yeah. Chalice cry, hear the wisdom bloom from the ancient root, dispelling all the gloom. Inhale the truth, for the truth excel the mental doom. One love, one heart rising from the tomb. Man a search for meaning through the daily grind. Sometimes the wicked ways can really mess with your mind, but the herbs they whisper solace of a different kind. A spiritual awakening for all of humankind. Holy chalice cry, hear the wisdom bloom from the ancient root, dispelling all the gloom. Inhale the truth, exhale the mental doom. One love, one heart rising from the tomb. Fire burn the illusion, singing from the tomb. Them hold the call, they heard me hear it back. Wisdom in the breeze, it whispered through the trees. A sacred thing fi set you free. Jah bless the remedy, mercy from the earth. Me feel it deep, open me eyes, me soul it leave. Mercy from the earth, Jah love me keep. One hope, one prayer, me spirit read. The lion sleep but him still a roar. The herb ignite the ancient lore. My mind it travel, me heart explore. Higher plane me can't ignore. Babylon a crumble, them can't disguise. Truth light up like fireflies. Mercy from the earth, me feel it deep. Open me eyes, me soul it leave. Mercy from the earth, Jah love me keep. One puff, one prayer, me spirit read. Half it burn the chalice, half it burn it slow. Blessings from the ganja make the rivers flow. Meditation rise, me consciousness grow. Wisdom not the leaf, make the truth you know.
Under the moonlight we are gathered round. Herbs in the chalice make the wisdom sound. Upon the ground of the earth we hail. Every prophet tell a timeless tale. Night chalice reasoning the fire burn bright. Wisdom a flow like a river in the night. From the root to the crown we are elevate. Selassie I guide, make we liberate. Brother, sister, open your mind's gate. Big and just say patience. No move too late. Babylon them blind, can't see the truth. Wisdom of the elder, we are the youth. One draw for the vision, two draw for the fight, three draw for the mission. We rise up tonight. Night chalice reason in the fire burn bright. Wisdom a flow like a river in the night. From the root to the crown we are elevate. Selassie I guide, make we liberate. Babylon chains can't hold we soul. Jalo fatter than the burning coal. Meditation deep like a lion's roar. Every pull a key to Zion's door.
turn. Smoke rise up to the skies it turn. Psalms chanting from his soul me learn. Psalms in the smoke, Jah wisdom flow. Psalms in the smoke make the spirit grow. Light up the fire, let the truth them show. Psalms in the smoke, we reap what we sow. Me say the herb it a holy book where we read. Fi heal the heart and plant the seed. Righteous meditation for life me plead. Lion roar, you can't take the lead. Sila, Sila, me chant it loud. Sila, no bow to crowd. Psalms in the smoke, Jah wisdom flow. Psalms in the smoke make the spirit grow. Light up the fire, let the truth them show. Psalms in the smoke, we reap what we sow. Them think it's just a puff, but it's the key. Unlock the mindset, the captives free. From Zion to earth, me vision see. Psalms in the smoke, it a prophecy.
Try hold us slow, but Jah light shine, we a go flow. Redemption cloud, high above the street. Sweet aroma can't be beat. Lifting spirits off our feet. Future bright, so bittersweet. Every step a prophecy. Seeking truth and liberty. Mind expanding, wild and free. Roots run deep for all to see. Redemption cloud, high above the street. Sweet aroma can't be beat. Lifting spirits off our feet. Future bright, so bittersweet. No more chains, no more fear. Only love can conquer here. Wisdom flowing crystal clear. Wash away every tear. Redemption cloud, high above the street. Sweet aroma can't be beat. Lifting spirits off our feet. Future bright, so bittersweet. Babylon a crumble, them can't touch me soul. The righteousness the goal. Hear the drum beater, feel the rhythm sway. Every inhale, me heart start to pray. It's a slow burning prayer. Me say a slow burning prayer. Carry me higher, make me soul draw nearer. Me say slow burning prayer. Chant it on the air, lift up the vibe. Jah light the flame. Them call it contraband, but Jah call it divine. The earth give the healing of mine. Roots in the ground, leaf touch the sun. Circle of life, this battle already won. A chant, me soul a glide. Them say truth hide in the smoke, my brother. Me say truth ride in the wind, my sister. Spirit in the steam, Jah wisdom rise. Burn the herb, watch the veil disguise. Deeper we go, the light a gleam. Jah guide we soul. Spirit in the steam, spirit in the steam. Aye, spirit in the steam. Mr. Babylon, them blind, them nah see clear. Them chase the gold, but just love right here. Roots in the earth, my spirit now fear. The higher heights are call, me draw near. The lion roar, it echo for miles. Wisdom grow in the ancient smile. Spirit in the steam, Jah wisdom rise. Burn the herb, watch the veil disguise. Deeper we go, the light a gleam. Jah guide with soul. Spirit in the steam, spirit in the steam. Spirit in the steam. Jah love the chief, Jah love like the banyan tree. The herb of the key, fi unlock the free. Fi the lion in the heart, fi the calm in the sea. The temple a guide we, fi be who we be. Breathe it in, me say one time, one time. The spirit a chant pon the rhythm, the divine. Temple of the leaf, temple of the leaf, where the wisdom steep, wisdom steep. Every puff of the truth, puff of the truth. Every breath so deep, breath so deep. Come here for the knowledge, come here for the knowledge. Come here for relief, come here for relief. The answer in the smoke, answer in the smoke. Jah over the chief, Jah over the chief. Them say Babylon I know the power of the green, but the ancestors whisper in the places unseen. Sacred is the ritual, ancient is the dream. We rise like the sun, like the river, me clean. Sunrise blaze a fire low, ganja smoke it start to flow. Chalice filled with sacred weed, planting up a tiny seed. Deep roots calling me so clear, wash away all doubt and fear. Oh, deep roots, deep roots, from the earth the wisdom shoots. Deep roots, deep roots, hear the ancient truthful hoots. Ganja burning slow and true, showing me what I must do. Mental journey, minded roam, far from Babylon, far from home. Every puff a thought descends, broken links the spirit mends. Inspiration pure and strong, where I truly do belong. Oh, deep roots, from the earth the wisdom shoots. Deep roots, hear the ancient truthful hoots. Ganja burning slow and true, showing me what I must do. No more fast say life I chase, finding my own sacred space. Motivation comes to greet every step up on my feet. Lyrics flow a river wide, with the herb as my true guide. Oh, deep roots, from the earth the wisdom shoots. Deep roots, hear the ancient truthful hoots. Ganja burning slow and true,